What is this, Nana?
A frog.
Frog? No, it's a garden lizard. What, Raghav?
Garden lizard.
Garden lizard, is it? Okay. We'll go see, touch it.
If we touch it, it will.
See, it went.
If we touch it, it will run away.
It ran away now already. It went to the.
It's gone to the hole.
It's a banana.
This is the leaf I got when I was small.
This one kind of a leaf only you got. That was in the other side. Now the tree is here. This big tree, see, big leaf, dry leaf.
Banana.
Banana has come. See, banana has come. Nice.
I saw the green banana.
Banana has come. And the banyan tree has become big.
Banana
Come, let's go.
Yeah, come, let's go.
Where are you going, Papa?
I'm going to swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Where are the ducks?
Yeah. Ducks are there. Yeah. They should be dipping the pool.
They don't dip in the pool. They are always, see, they're going inside, drinking water.
If they drink water, their mouth will burn.
Mouth will burn?
Yeah.
What you're telling?
No, ducks will drink water. Yeah?
Ducks will drink water. It's not hot. The water will be warm only. So it will not burn, Nana. See, we'll see the duck. Oi.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
And white. That duck is funny. Look.
What is he doing? Huh?
They're chicks.
No, that is not chicks. It's a tortoise. Tortoise are there. You can see tortoise. See, so many tortoise are there. Wow. It has become a very nice place here.
The duck is funny. Yeah. Ducks have tails.
Ducks are what?
Ducks have tails.
Tails are okay. Yeah, little small tail to swim. A lot of tortoises there. Good. Liking it?
Yeah.
Can we go to swimming?
Yeah. No.
Come. Let the duck swim. You also go swim. Yes, ducks also will start swimming. Nice place. You can come here, Raghav, regularly outside. Our Opaline is a very nice place to, spend the summer. You go for swimming? Yeah. You want to go in the small pool? Raghav, take her in the small pool. Very hot?
Not very hot, it's warm.
Warm.
And nice color. And
A little cold. Yeah, come, I'll also come to the swim. Yeah, she's swimming nicely, Papa. Wow.
you can do like that.
See, now duck is going for the lunch, I guess. They are swimming and going now. You finished your swimming?
Yes.
Then you have to go for lunch.
Papa, I want to go vaccination, buy something.
What you want to do? HNS and buy something. No, no, no. We will go home and eat lunch. See, they are also going for lunch. They are hungry now. Mm.
See tortoise.
Mm.
There. Swimming. We went inside. The tortoise went inside.
They're scared and they went to swim. Okay, let's go. Coming back. Bye. Bye bye, duck. Name the duck, Nana. 4 ducks are there. What you can give names to them? Huh? Mira duck, this is.
And this is Raghav duck.
Mm-hmm.
And another one is
Appa duck.
Another one is Amma duck.
Amma duck, okay. See, it is coming, see. Don't go near. Come.
You should not disturb the duck.
Come. Bye bye.
Bye bye, duck.
Bye bye, duck. Come. Let's go. These plants, Raghav. These plants, one of the plants these trees, one of the trees you planted, Raghav. These samplings, these are all grown big. Mithul one for his birthday, and then what's Ashmita one for his birthday. Kaden no, Krisha. This one also one of the. So some of the trees here, you might have planted it. On the occasions, some of the occasions. We are not knowing the exact location now.